Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to improve image quality with Phosus. Let's embark on this journey by opening your web browser and navigating to Phosus.com. If you haven't created an account yet, no need to worry. I recommend watching my video guide titled How to Get Started with Phosus for a seamless account setup. However, if you're already an existing user, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Since I'm already logged in, let's dive right into the action. Click on the dashboard button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the screen. Behold your dashboard, a creative hub where you have a variety of powerful tools at your fingertips. Head over to the left sidebar and click on Tools. Alternatively, you can scroll down until you discover the feature we are looking for, Super Resolution. Click on Super Resolution and you will enter the world of image enhancement. It's time to take one of your photos to the next level. You can either upload your image with a simple click or effortlessly drag and drop it into the designated area. Choose image you want to enhance. The magic begins here. You are presented with a choice, 2K or 4K upscale. Remember, the higher the resolution, the clearer your image will become. For maximum clarity, I recommend selecting 4K. Click Proceed to continue. Patience is a virtue at this stage. The processing time depends on your internet speed. With a high-speed connection, the transformation will happen in the blink of an eye. However, slower connections may require a bit more patience. And there you have it. Your image has undergone a remarkable transformation, improving the image quality significantly. Take a moment to appreciate the newfound details, vibrant colors, and the overall enhanced clarity in your image. But there's one more essential step: downloading your enhanced masterpiece. A simple click on the download button, and Phosus will efficiently save your enhanced image to your device. Keep in mind that each download consumes some credits, so use them thoughtfully. Before we wrap up, let us explore some tips to ensure you achieve optimal results with Phosus. Firstly, always start with the highest quality image possible. Phosus works best with high-resolution photos. Secondly, don't hesitate to experiment with different enhancement settings to achieve the look that aligns with your creative vision. Finally, consider leveraging Phosus' other powerful tools for further refinement, such as cropping, color correction, and more. Phosus is not limited to improving image quality alone. It is a versatile platform that can elevate your image editing skills to new heights. Explore Phosus' other features, including retouching, artistic filters, and batch processing, to unlock even more creative possibilities. And that concludes our in-depth exploration of image clarity enhancement with Phosus. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a professional graphic designer, or someone who simply appreciates the beauty of high-resolution imagery, Phosus is your key to transforming ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art. So, dive into the world of creativity with Phosus. It is a game changer in the realm of digital image enhancement. Enjoy your creative journey and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and advanced techniques. Thank you for watching, and until next time.